Do I have any LinkedIn connections that can help me with YouTube? I've got all the stuff. I got this, which is a microphone. Take you behind the scenes a little bit. Microphone, lighting, monitor. I got my whole computer set up down here. I've got the audio. I've got the video. I'm using Adobe Rush. I figured out Facebook for the most part. I got a good handle on LinkedIn. Now I want to go to YouTube. I need some subscribers. I've got less than 50 right now. I want to see that shoot up. I've got a decent amount of watch time, and I need to put some more videos on the platform, which I'm working on right now. That's what you're watching. So what I'm asking for is some help on building my YouTube channel. I've got a couple little pieces on YouTube that are helping me monitor what's going on, helping me make better videos, but I need some collaboration. So anybody who wants to team up to build their YouTube channel, figure out some tips, hints, tricks, I'm looking for you. Let me know.